Hello dear students, this is part 3 of class 7 science, second lesson nutrition in animals. In the previous class, we have understood that the food from the mouth passes through the esophagus and reaches the stomach. And now we will study what happens to the food in the stomach. Stomach is the widest part of alimentary canal. The stomach receives food from the food pipe. Its other end is connected to small intestine. The stomach's inner lining produces three things. First one, mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juices. Mucus protects the stomach lining. Hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria that enters along with the food. And also it makes the medium in the stomach acidic and thus helps digestive juices to act. Digestive juices breaks down the proteins present in the food into simpler substances. Now we have understood that the digestion of proteins starts in the stomach. Now let us know about the story of discovery of stomach. In 1822, a man named Alexis Saint Martin was hit by a gun. The bullet had made a hole in his stomach. He was brought to an American army doctor, William Beaumont. The doctor saved the patient, but he could not close the hole properly and left it bandaged. Beaumont took it as a great opportunity to see the inside of the stomach through the hole. Beaumont found that stomach was churning food. Its wall secreted a fluid which could digest the food. He also observed that the end of the stomach opens into the intestine only after the digestion of food inside the stomach is completed. Now we have understood that the food from the mouth passes through the esophagus and reaches the stomach. From there it reaches the small intestine. Now let us see what happens to the food in the small intestine. Small intestine is highly coiled and it is about 7.5 meters long. The inner lining of the intestine secretes some digestive juices. Also, liver and pancreas release digestive juices into the small intestine. With the help of digestive juices secreted by liver, pancreas, and the inner lining of the small intestine, the complete digestion of food takes place in the small intestine. The small intestine breaks the carbohydrates into glucose, fats into fatty acids, and proteins into amino acids. Now we have studied that liver and pancreas are digestive glands and they secrete digestive juices. Liver is a gland which is reddish brown in color and it is the largest gland in the body. It secretes the digestive juice called bile juice. Bile juice is stored in gallbladder. The bile plays an important role in the digestion of fat. This is the liver, which is the largest gland in our body, which is reddish brown in color. And this liver secretes bile juice and the bile juice is temporarily stored in gallbladder. Now let us see about pancreas. Pancreas is large cream colored gland and it is located just below the stomach. Pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. The pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats, and proteins and changes them into simpler forms. This cream colored gland just below the stomach is the pancreas.